This Hoover washer dryer has a generous 8 kg drum that makes it ideal for large family households. kg detector uses a sensor to weigh every load during the early stages of the cycle, adjusting the time, water and electricity use per cycle. This ensures that you get tailored washing and drying results whilst keeping energy bills to a minimum. Quick Wash lets you choose from 14, 30, 44 and 59-minute wash options, giving you more flexibility to run washes that suit you, ideal when you need something cleaned in a hurry. With a woolmark accredited drying cycle, you get a lower temperature performance with reduced felting. Fabrics don't rub together, so you can be sure that your delicate woolen clothes are cared for properly. Run cycles at a time to suit you with the 24-hour delay timer on this washer dryer from Hoover.